Running off with some track and field, Shelley-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Fraser-Pryce Bloomfield were the Jamaican winners at the Muller Indoor Grand Prix meet in Glasgow, Scotland today. Reigning world 100-metre champion Shelley-Ann Fraser-Pryce, who won the 60 metres a week ago at the Milo Western Relays in 7.32 seconds, had an improved performance in Glasgow, winning in 7.16.
Cleanly away, and Shelley-Ann Fraser-Pryce is outsmarted Savon Muller. Ahuri is going strongly also, but she can't quite get back there. Shelley-Ann Fraser-Pryce takes it.
Fraser-Pryce won ahead of Muriel Ahuri of the Ivory Coast in 7.22, and a compatriot Natasha Morrison, who finished third with a time of 7.22 as well. The 2014 World Indoor Champion said she was pleased with her performance despite battling illness.
I had the flu and, I was really feeling a damper, but today I'm glad that I was able to still come out and have a good run, and was a season's best, so I'm really excited for that.
Fraser-Pryce, who hadn't raced indoors in 6 years, says she was also slightly disappointed at the cancellation of the Nanjing World Indoor Championships due to the threat of the novel coronavirus.
As I said, I've not run the 60 a lot, so for me it's always good to be able to break and to come here and to have one. It's just unfortunate that the World Indoor Championship is not being held this year, because then I would get 3 more runs under my belt and maybe, have a PB. So, things happen for a reason, and we just have to look forward to.
Meanwhile, Fraser-Pryce Bloomfield won the men's 400 metres in 46.20 seconds, while teammate Nathan Allen finished 6th in 47.89.
Back at the moment, trying to hang on to this high-class field. A little look around from Igboke at the moment, and Maslach trying to get back there now. Igboke holding them up and just beginning to labour slightly, and here comes Bloomfield, the tall Jamaican, round the outside, times it beautifully, takes it just ahead of Igboke.
It's all about, building. I guess, each race, the foundation is gets built a little bit more. I think I need races under my belt to perform at my best, so it's just one of them, a stepping stone. So, onward.
Bloomfield says he will now be focusing on his outdoor season as he prepares for the Olympic Games qualifiers.
It's my first time, my first indoor race of the season, my first and last. I'll be going outdoor now. I just came here to get the legs a little bit warm. Came out with a victory. It's a good environment, great fans, so I'm really happy right now.
In the women's equivalent, Genevieve Russell got up after a collision with her MVP teammate Stephanie McPherson to end 5th in 1:00.87 seconds, but McPherson stayed down and didn't finish the race. Julian Ford finished 8th in the men's 60 metres in 6.81 seconds, in a race which was won by American World Indoor bronze medalist Ronnie Baker in 6.50.